In this lecture, we are going to talk about operator precedence in Java. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with relatively lower precedence. All right? So, I'm on a Wikipedia webpage showing a nice table. And in this table, we can see all the Java operators with their precedence. And the higher the precedence is, the smaller the number is in this table. So on the top of the table, the operators got the higher precedence, and at the bottom, the lower precedence. Okay? One thing really important to understand at this point is the associativity also. For instance, when we are considering using the parenthesis operator with the highest precedence in Java, the expression will be evaluated from the left to the right. Okay? And when prefix increment and decrement are used, in this case, the expression can be, the associativity is from the right to the left. Okay. So, to do a small example, I declared and initialized a variable of type int called compute. In this example, as you can see, I did a pretty big expression to initialize my variable of type int, and as we could see in the table, the priority, the highest priority, are parentheses. So the first thing that is going to be evaluated is what's inside the parentheses. Okay, so in this case 4 plus 7, it will give us 11, and then the rule is from the left to the right, but with the higher precedence score, I would say. And from the left to the right, we are okay, because what's on the left of this expression is a multiplication, and it will give us 110, so no problem. And then we have a division from the left to the right also, so no problem. And we will arrive at this point, and we got plus 4, plus 3, and a multiplication 3 by 2. So the program, the sequence, will evaluate this before, because the multiplication has a higher priority than an addition. Okay? So to summarize one more time what is going to happen in this case, we are going to see the several steps. First steps, this expression is evaluated. Then this expression, as it is the more on the left, and it is a multiplication. This expression, so 110 division 11, and then this expression, because it is a multiplication, and it will do it before the addition, and at the end, at the very end, the addition with all the three numbers I will have at this point. So a number here, plus 4, plus obviously 6. Okay, one more time. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and then the last step, which is a global addition of three numbers. All right, so as you know now, we are going to do a right click here, run our Java class. We got our main method, of course, and the result is 20, because This is giving us 11. We have 110 here. It will give us 10 and 6. 10 plus 4 is 14, plus 6 is 20. All right? So I'll catch you in the next lecture to continue with naming convention and Java mechanics, basics mechanics. I'll catch you in the next lecture.